So today is the 248th birthday of the United States Marine Corps. Normally, you would go to some type of a birthday ball or a gathering of Marines. In my case, I'm in the kitchen of my old house trying to get this finished up for the new owners to move in. So we're gonna do a Field Expedient Marine Corps birthday cake. If you were a grunt, you've probably seen this before. Let's get to it. So to make this cake, first off, you're gonna need somebody stand and watch. I got gung-ho here. Next, you're gonna need a pound cake from an MRE. We're going with vanilla because that's all I could find. And this one is a little broken, but that's okay, so are we. You're gonna need a package of cocoa beverage powder. From your MRE accessory pack, you're gonna need 1 pack of sugar and 1 pack of cream substitute dry non-dairy. Move the cocoa to the bottom. Tear that open. Do the same thing with your creamer powder. Pour that right into your cocoa powder. Add your sugar. And then of course, we need our high quality H2O. Add a little bit of your hydration juice. Grab your classic MRE spoon and mix. You're trying to get a frosting consistency, so just keep stirring that around until it looks about like that. Next, we need to spread our frosting on the cake. For this to go properly, you probably need to say a bunch of Semper Fi, Oorah, Devil Dogs over and over and over as loud as you can in the background. That's just to get the right spirit.
Oorah, Semper Fi, Semper Fi, Oorah, 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 Semper Fi, Semper Fi.
This does work better if your pound cake has not been pounded. Okay. You're gonna have your Firewatch swap out his weapon for a crayon, ready to go. Weapon on the deck. Gonna grab some Motrin, sprinkle a couple of those around. Gonna grab you some Lorna Doone cookies, put those on the side. Grab your favorite flavor of crayons. Since this is for Marine Corps birthday dough, I'm gonna go with red and yellow. It's the closest I have to gold and scarlet. And there is your MRE cake, your Field Expedient Marine Corps birthday cake. Before you dig in, make sure put on your boot bands, fresh pair of socks, and dig in. Retrieve your MRE spoon and get a big bite. Happy 248th, Marines. You know, the funny thing about these, they're actually not bad. Chesty would approve.